side to back.
First off, thanks everyone for coming out, but I think we ended up with like 55, which is insane. I mean, this is a 22 shoot. That's crazy. So just, yeah, thanks everybody for coming out. So we got 9 stages. Total round count is 92 with a max score of 92. 105 second par time on everything. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wes. Happy birthday to you. You're getting old. Impact. Shoot for 6. Good job, buddy.
Hey, yeah, awesome.
Maybe get the old man some lessons?
Yeah, we did last week.
Works.
Good thing you're not running.
Good thing it wasn't a 17, yeah. Impact. Impact. Impact.
Gotta make sure you delete
Back.
Well,
right.
impact.
Catch great.
Someone else on glass also.
Impact.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Jesus. We put them right together.
Just hold
Jesus. I expected to be like, okay, we're here and then we're going to shoot over.
Run. There it is. Good run, man. Good run.
Cool.
I finally brought some soap.
Woo!
I was like right here and I was watching.
Impact.
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 Impact. Impact. Impact. Talk about time, man.
Good one, man. Good one. Yeah. Thank you. Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay.
Impact.
Boar, the first thing, man, maybe tuck my tail. I'll call Steve.
Discussion afterwards. Cross here.
Impact. Don't move confused. You're fine. All right, thank you. Keep doing your thing. Impact. Impact. All right, guys. Shooter will use stumps 5 through 1 and engage T5 and T6 with 1 round each. 5 through 1. He dropped 1 round.
Okay. I'm fine with that.
So-
I just thought he was shooting it backwards.
Yeah.
My understanding.
I initially said that 2, and then Matt goes, no, it's 5 to 1. We're going left to right, left to right.
All right.
Tracking. All right, thank you.
Sorry, Matthew.
That's okay.
I was not coming at you. I was just.
Hunter.
I'm only running like 39 grains on 4350, so the same powder.
I know who stole a Holiday Inn soap last night.
Soap, shampoo, shower cap.
They cleaned it. Good job.
Make ready.
Matt, you can move a little closer, bud.
Thanks.
You know, I mean, you know.
All right, shooter is ready.
Shooter, stand by.
Alright, we got some more there. They're probably gonna be like, well,
Left edge too much?
53.
There was a mill hold.
You got a mill.
A mill center hold.
Okay.
Back. Impact. Impact.
Drove through New York, so I only got 10 rounders.
Uh-oh. Want to borrow a 12? Rent it to you.
Oh,
Really?
what damn it. What did I do there?
That mag change screwed up your rhythm.
It did.
Hey, so you want to borrow a 12 rounder
The New York Mojo.
for the next stage?
Yeah, I'd borrow.
because there's a 12 rounder coming.
Oh, is there? I might take you up on that.
You were in a Vudoo?
Yeah.
All right.
It works in my gun.
Shooter stand by.
There's the wind. There's the breeze coming.
16's the low one, right? It's high, little, low.
Impact. 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 Impact.
They're all to the right. 15 is about 2 foot high, right, 1 foot right of the 15. The 16 is just straight across the top of the
Four positions.
Finally. Yeah, exactly.
One more to go. See one back.
Load make ready? You can. Load make ready.
190.
Don't you want to use a bipod just so you
That's
can
about
do it once
150.
today? I was channeling this and Nosky's spotted right?
Yes, sir.
You to channel Dave Preston. Oh my God, he's so fast. What? So
Good.
smooth. I'll take 11.
Pack! Pack!
Saw a close up of your head there for a minute.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Nice.
Clean run.
And
Impact! Impact!
You were holding it. You were down.
Impact!
Oh, okay. So if you just hold straight up, you'd have been fine.
Impact!
One more.
Impact!
You're gonna shoot a pro, you're gonna get a shit ton of rock.
At stage 3,
Want to know.
Alright.
And we're glass. Oh, yeah, clear up our shit. Let's see who we're big dick and exploded. I'm betting it might be out. I started real nice.
Then that last thing, you really hurt it all out.
Yeah, right. Because there's 2 inches of water. Well, Alan, we tied. I beat you on time. What next? You gotta get to
Alan back on it today. Good catch after the first shot.
Yeah.
We don't know how the rest of the
Did it
squad
blow right off
did, but in our
black?
world-
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna do bourbon first because that's the fun one.
Next being the winner.
All right, so bourbon stage. Matt Weave with a clean in 40 seconds.
Thanks, man.
There you go. Congrats, and you know the rules.
Yep, I'll share it. Don't worry, we can't take that
Can't even take it back. We got Dave-O with the top spot at 84. No, we're only doing one. We can't talk about that. Congrats.
Thank you.
Number 2 open, we got Justin Lyons at 83.
Thank you, sir.
They just let me in your pen picture.
Number 3, Matt Quee at 81.
Hold on, Greg, out of the picture.
Top production, I got Adam Eddings at 62. So second production, Dustin Fletcher at 45. Nice work. Top lady, Kayla Doman at 69. Hey, get up. All right.
Gentlemen, you're involved.
Yeah. Top youth, Dakota at 69.
Why are you turning red? Don't be nervous. Is this your first time? Oh, look, she does smile.
Hey, it's got teeth.